back to Max class. Chapter 6 Trigonometry. Now we are going to see example 6.6. See this question. Find the value of the following. The question is cos 0 degree plus sin 45 degree plus sin 30 degree into sin 90 degree minus cos 45 degree plus cos 60 degree. Now we can write the value of the angles. Okay. See, cos 0 degree is 1, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, sin 30 degree 1 by 2 into sin 90 degree is 1 minus cos 45 1 divided by root 2 plus 1 by 2. See here, these are all unlike terms. So, find out the LCM and make this in like terms. Okay. What is the LCM? 2 root 2 is the LCM. 2 root 2 is the LCM. This number we can write it as 1 divided by 1. Here also 1 divided by 1. 1 into 2 root 2, 2 root 2. Plus already in the denominator root 2 is there. So just we can multiply it by 2. Plus denominator 2 already there. What is remaining here? Root 2. Okay. Into. Same like that here also LCM 2 root 2. 2 root 2 minus 2 plus root 2. Which is equal to 2 root 2 plus root 2 equal to 3 root 2 plus 2 divided by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 plus root 2 3 root 2 minus 2 divided by 2 root 2. See the numerator 3 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 3 root 2 minus 2. So here we can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b equal to what? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. We can apply that formula. So here a square minus b square means 3 root 2 the whole square minus 2 square divided by multiply these two numbers together. 2 2s are 4, root 2 into root 2 2, which is equal to here 3 square is 9 into root 2 square is 2 minus 2 square is 4 divided by 4 2s are 8. Okay. Which is equals 9 2s are 18 minus 4 divided by 8. 18 minus 4 is 14 divided by 8. Cancel this by 2 table, we get the answer 7 divided by 4. So the answer is 7 divided by 4. Listen, question number 2. Tan square 60 degree minus 2 tan square 45 degree minus cot square 30 degree plus 2 sin square 30 degree plus 3 by 4 cosecant square 45 degree. Now we can substitute the values of angles. Okay. So here this is equal to tan 60 degree is root 3. Here tan square 60 degree, so have to write square, minus 2 into tan 45 degree value 1 the whole square minus cot 30 degree is root 3 the whole square plus 2 into sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 by 4 into cosecant 45 degree is root 2 the whole square. Okay. Next, root 3 square is equal to 3 minus 2 into 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is 2 minus root 3 the whole square, root just 3 plus 2 into 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square 4 plus 3 by 4 into root 2 the whole square is equal to just 2. Okay. Equal to, we can cancel plus 3 and minus 3. Cancel 2 and 4. Here 1 time, here 2 times. Again cancel 2 and 4. Here 2 times. Okay. What is remaining now? Minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 2. Now we are going to add these two like terms. Okay. Like fractions. Minus 2 plus 1 plus 3, 4 divided by 2. Cancel 2 and 4 2 times, which is equal to minus 2 plus 2. The value is 0. So what is the answer? 0 is the answer. Exercise 6.2. Verify the following equalities. First two sums, already I said you to do homework. Now listen the third question. Cos 90 degree equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree equal to 3 cos square 45 degree minus 1. Using 3 steps, we are going to solve this sum. See, the first one, first we are taking cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree equal to, what is the value of cos 90 degree? The value is 0. Make it as 1. Then second part, 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree equal to 1 minus 2 sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Here sin square 45, that's what, 1 by root 2 the whole square, which is equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 square is 1, root 2 the whole square equal to 2. We can cancel 2 and 2, remaining 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Right? The second equation. Then the third part, 2 cos square 45 minus 1, which is equal to 2 into cos 45 value 1 by root 2 the whole square minus 1, which is equal to 2 into 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2 minus 1. Cancel 2 and 2, remaining 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Write it as 3. From 1, 2 and 3, we can say cos 90 degree equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. Question number 2. Find the value of the following. The question is tan 45 degree by cosecant 30 degree plus secant 60 degree by cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree by 2 cos 0 degree. Write the values. Tan 45 degree is 1 divided by cosecant 30 degree, that is 2, plus secant 60 degree 2 divided by cot 45 degree 1 minus 5 into sin 90 degree value 1 divided by 2 into cos 0 degree value also 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1 minus 5 into 1 is 5 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. Next, we are going to take LCM for this 3 fractions. Okay. What is the LCM? 2 is the LCM. 2, 1 plus, here only we are going to multiply 2 for the numerator and also the denominator. So 2 2s are 4 minus 5 equal to 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 5 divided by 2. 5 minus 5 equal to what? 0. 0 divided by 2, the value is 0. Listen, the third subdivision, sin square 30 degree minus 2 cos cube 60 degree plus 3 tan power 4 45 degree. Substitute the values. Sin 30 degree equal to 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 whole square minus 2 cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 divided by 2 the power 3 because here cos cube 60 degree plus 3 into tan 45 value 1 tan power 4. So 1 power 4. Okay. Then take square of the numbers. 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square 4 minus 2 into 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8. 2 into 2 equal to 8 plus 3 into 1 power 4. Value of 1 power 4 also we get the answer 1. So just we can write 3. Cancel 2 and 8. 1 time here 4 times. So which is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 3. Cancel plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. What is remaining here? 3 is remaining. So the answer is 3. Question number 3. Verify cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a when a equal to 30 degree. For this question, in the place of a, we are going to substitute the value 30. Then separately we are going to find LHS and RHS and check both are equal or not. Okay. First, left hand side cos 3a. Here in the place of a, I wrote 30 degree. So cos 3 into 30 means cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree value 0. We can mark it as 1. Then right hand side 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a is 30 degree minus 3 cos 30 degree. Now we can substitute the values. Cos 30 degree is root 3 divided by 2. The whole cube because here cos cube 30 minus 3 into cos 30 degree root 3 divided by 2 which is equal to 4 into root 3 times. So we can write root 3 into root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 into 2 minus 3 into root 3 root 3 divided by 2. See, we can cancel 4 and 2 into 2 also 4. Root 3 into root 3 value is just 3 root 3 divided by 2 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2 plus 3 root 3 divided by 2 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2. The answer is 0. Okay. Mark it as 2. Left hand side we got the value 0 and also right hand side we got the value 0. So we can write from 1 and 2 LHS equal to RHS. Therefore cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Question number 4. Find the value of 8 sin 2x cos 4x sin 6x where x equal to 15 degree. This is also same like the previous problem. In the place of x, we have to substitute 15 degree. Okay. So here 8 sin 2x, that means 2 into 15 degree cos 4x 4 into 15 degree sin 6x. So 6 into 15 degree. Next multiply this 8 sin 2 into 15 that is 30 degree cos 4 into 15. Cos 4 into 15 is 60 degree. Sin 6 into 15 equal to 90 degree. Now we can write the values of the angles. It is equal to 8 into sin 30 degree value 1 divided by 2. Cos 60 degree 1 divided by 2 and sin 90 degree value is 1. Okay. Cancel 2 and 8. Here 4 times. Here 1 times. Again cancel by 2 table. We get the answer 2. Okay. 2 into 1. We get the answer 2. Your homework from exercise 6.2, question number 1, fourth subdivision and question number 2, second subdivision. Thank you students. Take care.